Many people are commenting.
CapCut free. Give free CapCut. I want free CapCut. CapCut.
Many people are commenting. Actually, these all are imaginary. But today I'm going to tell you a secret mantra so you can access CapCut for free. But I will not tell mostly. Just show you. Otherwise, CapCut will kill me. Go to Chrome. Search Urban VPN software, not extension. Go to first correct link. Download. Please subscribe and like my channel. Now install it. Search Russian server. First you've to edit your whole video. Then close CapCut. Connect Russian server. Again, open CapCut, just save your video. Please subscribe. Enjoy.